Hi guys, welcome to another video, and in this video I'll be unboxing the Sabrent USB 3 hard drive enclosure. Alright, let's get started. Alright, so here is the hard drive case, and this is some warranty information and the user guide. And this is the USB cable for the hard drive enclosure. And this is the actual hard drive enclosure. So let's remove this out of the packaging. It feels really solid and it has a really good design as well. There is a on and off switch and a USB 3.0 port. Let's have a look at the user manual here. So this is the first page, and it gives details about the device itself and the way to open the device. And this shows how to install an actual hard drive. And this is how to remove the device from the computer. Okay, I'm just trying to open up the device. I'm going to push open it. I'd like to show you guys the previous hard drive enclosure that I was using, and the USB port broke. I don't like micro B ports, so that's why I mainly went for the Sabrent USB because it uses the full-fledged USB port. And here you can see how flimsy the micro B port is. So here I'm going to remove the Samsung SSD that I have in my old hard drive enclosure. And then I'm going to put it into the new one. Oh, it seems to be a bit difficult to insert it. Oh, I need to remove this little piece here at the bottom. Alright, now the hard drive goes in very easily, and now I can slide it in place. Alright guys, that's all I have for this video. I hope you found this useful. Thanks for watching.